In this video, we're going to demonstrate the Deadload and Zeroload millivolt checks. First, your load cell must be checked while the indicator is on. A deadload check is done with the scale structure on the load cell, but with the scale empty. Think the condition the scale is in when calibrating zero. First off, ensure your multimeter is set to millivolts DC. Remove the positive and negative signal wires from the indicator or summing board. Place your black or common lead on the negative signal wire and the red lead on the positive signal wire, as shown here. Remember, all DC voltage checks are polarity sensitive. And as you see, we have 3.42 millivolts DC. Onto the zero load checks. The process of making these checks with a multimeter is exactly the same. However, with a zero load check, all weight is removed from the scale, including the scale structure itself, to determine if there is a physical distortion in the load cell. Remember, you're allowed 0.3 millivolts plus or minus before the load cell is considered faulty and needs replacing. And as you see, we have 0.0 millivolts DC. To check zero load on a floor scale, use a fork truck to pick the scale up off the floor, and on a truck scale, use a jack or inner pack porta power to relieve pressure from the cells.